A shadow over Tehran, the presidential crash. Iran's skies have long been home to a mix of aircraft, boasting a diverse fleet that reflects the nation's complex geopolitical reality. At the heart of this story lies a tragic incident. In a shocking turn of events, the Iranian presidential helicopter crashed, sending shockwaves through the nation and beyond. This incident raised immediate questions about aviation safety and sparked speculation about potential causes. Was it a mechanical failure, human error, or something more sinister? The crash highlighted the critical importance of aviation safety protocols and underscored the need for transparency in such incidents. It serves as a stark reminder of the inherent risks associated with air travel and emphasizes the responsibility borne by those entrusted with the lives of passengers. The investigation into the crash is crucial, holding the key to understanding what went wrong and, more importantly, how to prevent similar tragedies in the future. Iranian helicopters, East versus West. Iran's helicopter fleet is a mix of American-made Bell helicopters and Russian-made Mi-171 helicopters. Bell helicopters, known for their reliability, have long been a mainstay in many countries, renowned for their versatility and robust design. The Mi-171, a workhorse of the Russian military, is known for its ruggedness, making it suitable for Iran's diverse terrain and operating conditions. The Bell helicopters, acquired before the 1979 Islamic Revolution, represent a different era. Their continued use speaks to their durability and effectiveness, a testament to American engineering prowess. The Mi-171S, on the other hand, symbolize Iran's strategic alliances after the revolution. These two helicopters, products of different worlds, serve side by side in Iran's fleet, reflecting the country's pragmatic approach to maintaining its military and civilian capabilities. The Bell helicopters, despite their age, continue to perform admirably, a testament to their original design and meticulous maintenance. The riddle of the rotor blades. In the wake of the crash, conflicting reports emerged about the type of helicopter involved. Some sources pointed to the American-made Bell helicopter, while others claimed it was the Russian-made Mi-171. This discrepancy fueled speculation and uncertainty. The lack of clarity from official sources only deepened the mystery. Identifying the helicopter model is crucial, as it can provide valuable clues about the potential cause of the crash. Each model has its own unique design features, strengths and weaknesses, and understanding these differences is essential for investigators piecing together the events that led to the tragedy. The conflicting reports underscore the need for accurate and timely information in such incidents, where transparency from authorities is paramount. It helps to build public trust and prevent the spread of misinformation. The true identity of the helicopter remains elusive, adding another layer of complexity to an already perplexing investigation. Age versus upkeep, a deadly equation. The age of the helicopter involved in the crash became a focal point of discussion. Some experts argued that older aircraft are inherently less safe, pointing to the potential for metal fatigue and component failure. Others emphasized the importance of regular maintenance, arguing that even aging aircraft can operate safely with proper upkeep. The debate highlighted a critical aspect of aviation safety, the balance between age and maintenance. While newer aircraft may boast advanced safety features, their effectiveness depends on rigorous maintenance schedules. Conversely, older aircraft can continue to fly safely if they are meticulously maintained. This incident serves as a stark reminder that age is just a number when it comes to aircraft. What matters most is the diligence and expertise of the maintenance crews responsible for keeping these machines airborne. The investigation into the Iranian presidential helicopter crash will undoubtedly scrutinize the maintenance records of the aircraft involved, helping to determine if age played a role in the tragic incident. The helicopter crash sent shockwaves through Iran. It raised concerns about the safety of the country's aviation industry. The incident also highlighted the need for transparency from the Iranian government. In the aftermath of the crash, the Iranian government faced calls for a thorough and independent investigation. Transparency is crucial in such situations. It helps to build public trust and ensure accountability. A transparent investigation can help identify the root cause of the crash. This knowledge is essential for preventing similar incidents in the future. The Iranian government has a responsibility to the victims, their families, and the public. They must conduct a thorough and impartial investigation. The findings of the investigation should be made public. This will demonstrate a commitment to transparency and accountability. The world is watching how Iran handles this tragedy. Their response will have lasting implications for the country's reputation and its aviation industry. The crash also sparked a broader conversation about aviation safety standards worldwide. While there are internationally recognized protocols, their implementation and enforcement vary from country to country. This incident underscored the need for consistent adherence to these standards globally. Iran, like all nations, has a responsibility to uphold the highest standards of aviation safety. This includes adhering to international protocols and regulations. It also means ensuring that its airlines and maintenance facilities meet these rigorous requirements. The crash serves as a reminder that aviation safety is not a national issue, but a global concern. The international community has a role to play in promoting and enforcing these standards, sharing best practices, providing technical assistance, and conducting regular audits can help improve aviation safety worldwide. Ultimately, ensuring the safety of the skies requires a collective effort. Every nation must prioritize and invest in robust aviation safety measures. When metal fails. A history of helicopter accidents. Helicopter crashes, while relatively rare, have occurred throughout aviation history. These incidents have often been attributed to a complex interplay of factors. These can include mechanical failures, pilot error, poor weather conditions, and inadequate maintenance. Each crash serves as a tragic lesson. It deepens our understanding of the risks associated with rotary wing flight. One of the most infamous helicopter accidents involved a Sikorsky S-61 in 1986. The crash, attributed to a catastrophic rotor failure, highlighted the importance of rigorous inspection and maintenance procedures. Another notable incident occurred in 2009 when a Eurocopter S-332 crashed off the coast of Scotland. The investigation revealed a fatigue crack in a gearbox component. These incidents, along with countless others, have led to significant improvements in helicopter design, safety regulations, and pilot training. The lessons learned from these tragedies have undoubtedly saved lives. However, the Iranian presidential helicopter crash serves as a stark reminder that the pursuit of aviation safety is an ongoing endeavor. Beyond the crash implications for Iran. The helicopter crash carries significant implications for Iran, extending beyond the immediate tragedy. The incident has the potential to impact Iran's diplomatic relations. It could also affect its standing within international organizations. The manner in which Iran conducts the investigation and addresses concerns raised by the international community will be closely scrutinized. Furthermore, the crash could have repercussions for Iran's domestic politics. The incident might fuel existing tensions between different political factions. It could also impact public trust in the government's handling of sensitive matters. The crash comes at a delicate time for Iran. The country is navigating a complex geopolitical landscape. The incident adds another layer of complexity to an already challenging situation. How Iran responds to this tragedy will be crucial. It will shape the country's trajectory both domestically and internationally. The future of Iranian aviation. Looking ahead, the Iranian presidential helicopter crash will likely prompt a comprehensive review of the country's aviation industry. This review could encompass various aspects of aviation safety. These may include pilot training, maintenance protocols, air traffic control procedures, and aircraft inspection standards. Iran may seek to collaborate with international partners to enhance its aviation safety measures. This collaboration could involve seeking technical assistance, sharing best practices, and participating in joint training programs. The goal would be to elevate Iranian aviation standards to align with global best practices. The Iranian government has an opportunity to demonstrate its commitment to aviation safety. By taking decisive action to address any shortcomings identified in the aftermath of the crash, Iran can work towards rebuilding trust. A commitment to transparency, accountability, and continuous improvement will be key to strengthening Iran's aviation sector. Conclusion. Lessons from the sky. The Iranian presidential helicopter crash is a tragedy that underscores the fragility of life and the inherent risks associated with aviation. While the investigation into the specific cause of the crash is ongoing, the incident offers valuable lessons for the aviation industry worldwide. First, it highlights the critical importance of rigorous maintenance procedures and adherence to safety protocols. Second, it underscores the need for transparency and accountability in the aftermath of aviation accidents. Third, it emphasizes the importance of international cooperation in promoting aviation safety standards globally. The skies connect us all. Ensuring the safety of air travel is a shared responsibility that requires a collective effort. By learning from this tragedy and working together to implement necessary improvements, we can strive to make the skies safer for everyone.